Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable students turning an empty assignment in Google Classroom using xFanatical SafeDoc. Students can submit empty assignments in Google Classroom to meet deadlines without completing any actual work, making it difficult for teachers to assess learning and increasing administrative effort. That's where SafeDoc comes for the rescue. xFanatical SafeDoc helps schools prevent students from submitting empty assignments in Google Classroom, ensuring that only meaningful work is turned in. This encourages student accountability, improves assignment quality, and allows teachers to focus on providing feedback rather than managing incomplete submissions. Getting started is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, simply enable the Block Classroom Assignment Empty Submission policy and set its value to True to easily remove the option of turning in empty assignment in Google Classroom. Apply for a 30-day free trial and experience the full capabilities of SafeDoc. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.